Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be showing you a very easy step-by-step Indian wedding guest makeup look with a beautiful smoky eyes. So if you are ready, let's get started. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So yeah guys, before starting for my makeup, I always hydrate my skin with a good serum and a moisturizer. So right now I have already moisturized my skin and now I'm gonna use a primer. So which primer I use? Right now I'm using a Givenchy primer. It's a blue shade, perfect for my skin tone because it gives a natural radiance to my skin, and for those who have yellow undertone, this is the perfect match for them. So I'm gonna use this. So I'll just take a little amount of the primer and apply it all over my face and neck as well. And now we are done with a primer. Next I'm using a concealer from Tarte in shade 22 and light neutral to cover my darker areas. And now with the help of Temp Beauty Blender, I will blend it nicely all over my face. For foundation, I am using MAC Studio Fix with SPF 15. So it will going to protect you from sun as well. I love this foundation. It's really nice foundation. So I'm gonna take a very little amount as usual. Remember, less is always more, as it won't give you a cakey look and you can always add on once needed. So just apply it all over the face and neck as well and blend it nicely with the help of Temp Beauty Blender. So this beauty blender, I bought it from Sephora and this is the original one. It's also available in their website. So now I am done with the foundation. Next I am using the translucent powder from Kat Von D to set the areas around my eyes. Now I'm gonna use my Tarte Pro Glow to Go palette for contouring. I love this palette as it comes with two add-on shades of highlighter. So the brush which I am using here is 112 Face Curve from Zoeva. I'm gonna use in the areas where we require contouring like cheekbones, my jawlines and my nose. Now I'm gonna quickly set up my makeup with the MAC Studio Perfect Compact. Next I'm gonna curl my eyelashes with the help of curler. Colors can actually make a huge difference in the look of your lashes, creating length and volume. For brow, I'm using precisely my brow pencil from Benefit in dark brown shade. First I'm gonna use brush to comb my eyebrow and use a pencil to make it a proper shape and then fill it nicely. Next I'm using the loose powder to set my eyebrows. So now I'm gonna use Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Like face primer, it also improves skin's texture, helping eye makeup go on smoother and last longer. So for eyeshadow I am using today is the Tarte's Pro Remix palette from Tarte. It is one of my favorite palette with beautiful shades for creating smoky eyes. So I'm gonna use shade Color Explosion to the entire lid of my eyes. Next, to highlight my outer brow bone area, I am using the shade Inspiration from the palette. For rest of the brow bone area, I am using shade Mixed Media. The brush I am using here is 226 Smudger from Zoeva. Next, I am using Grand Spectacle eyeshadow palette from MAC. For the outer corner of my eyes, I am using the shade Where There's Smoke and blend it nicely to my crease line. Take a blending brush to blend the outer lid into the crease shade. Now for the center of my eyelid, I am gonna use Gold Front shade from this palette. The brush I am using here is the 234 Luxe Smoky Shader. Now I am done with both the eyes. Now with the help of 228 Luxe Crease brush, I am gonna smudge and blend out to soften the shade. Now to add on some sparkle and shine to my eyes, I am using the shade Antique Gold from Galactic Loose Sparkle. They look so beautiful on the top of the eyeshadow and very easy to apply. You can use it for any festive look to add colors, pop and glamour. Now to complete this eye look, I am gonna apply the magnetic eyelashes. First I am gonna apply the eyeliner. Let it dry for a minute, then just stick the eyelashes on top of it. Repeat the same on the other eye as well. Now using the same shade of Color Explosion which I used it on my eyelid area, I am gonna apply it on my lower lash line. The brush I am using here is 322 Brow Line. Now with the help of 3110 spot liner brush, I am gonna apply a black MAC gel eyeliner on the half of the outer corner of my lower lash line. Next, to pop up the inner corner of my eyes, I am using the shade I Like to Watch from my MAC eyeshadow palette. The complete look of my eyes. Now I'm gonna quickly touch up my makeup with my MAC Studio Fix in shade NC35. For blush, I'm using the golden pink blush from Benefit. I love this shimmery peach color. It goes perfect with my look. And to bring in some brightness and glow in my face, I am using Bomb Baby Highlighter from Fenty Beauty to highlight my face. Now for outlining my lips, I am using Sephora lip liner, which is one shade darker than my lipstick, to make my lips look instantly fuller and defined. For lipstick, I am using shade 429 Lives from MAC. So here is the complete look of my makeup. So for styling my hair, I'm gonna curl my hair with my GHD curler. And finally, I'm setting the entire makeup with the help of makeup setting spray so that the makeup stays in place. Indian look is not complete without bindi, so I just applied my bindi. And here is the final look. I hope this look is really helpful and useful, especially in any wedding and festivities. Comment below and let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. All the products I used have listed on my description box. Love you guys so much, and I will see you with another interesting video. Bye bye guys.